welcome back to my channel. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I've been testing out different highlighters in my Spanish Bible, and none of them have worked. They all bleed through. The pages in this Bible are not like a normal journaling Bible. They are not thicker. They do not hold ink the same way. I will show you guys in this. I have tested out all the markers that I typically use in my other Bibles, and they look good on this side, but then even the pens too. Like, you can see that, you know, there's extreme shadowing and there is bleed through on some of them, even some of the pens. The bleed through is very light, but I was like, let me try it on a page that has text and how I would normally highlight. So over here, I was like, okay, yeah. But let's see if you guys can see this. Oh, almost dropped my whole camera. That is the back of the page. It literally went through. You can see a little bit. Actually, you can't see because you can see a little bit of it bled through to the other page. Like, this was, hi. This was some intense bleed through. So, I bought new highlighters. I did get a bunch of new highlighters on Amazon. And actually, if you want to see all this much quicker, you know, I am posting on my TikTok, all this stuff, my journey of trying to find markers and pens that work for this Bible, because I can't really, I like to write in my Bible, I like to take notes, I like to do all that stuff, but I can't really do that if I don't have anything, and I don't really like the jelly type of highlighters that are like kind of like a crayon. I don't like that, and I don't really like color pencils because I don't like the noise they make. So we gotta figure this out. So let's go through these quickly. What else did I felt like I had some things to chat with you guys about. And then I will show you guys what these look like in my Bible. You can check on my TikTok if you guys would like to see everything I've been doing. I'm trying to get back into my art, and it's been interesting. So I did order some more things, so we'll probably have another haul eventually. If you follow me on my TikTok. I feel like I've just said that like 5 times to follow me on my TikTok. I apologize. I guess I'll say this real quickly here. No, I was gonna talk about my next, I don't know. I've been trying to get back into my art. Like, I've been an artsy person all my life, and I've taken large chunks, and it's honestly just a confidence thing, and I need to work on that. But we can chat more about that in my next video, because I'm gonna do like a day in the life and share with you guys the things that I bought for that, and talk about the challenge I want to do in October for art, and also my Bible reading plan. Give you guys a little sneak peek on that. And yeah, so I got this. I literally don't know the brand name. Why won't this focus on this? Don't look at me. I have no idea where I left off. I think I showed you guys those. And I also got some from Mr. Pen. These are similar to like the other rectangle ones I have, but they have a different top, so hopefully, I don't know. And then these pastel ones, we'll see if the formulas are different. I also got these Amazon basic ones that are actually erasable, so this is what they look like. So I'm kind of hoping that they will be less juicy than other highlighters, so they won't bleed through, because you need to be able to erase them. I'm hearing things forward. And then I also got these Pilot ones that are also erasable, so I was thinking the same thing. So that's what my hope is with that. And so those are the things I ordered off Amazon for trying them out in my Bible. So we'll do that at the end of this video. So if you want to just skip ahead, go ahead. That is fine. I was going to film a week in my quiet time, but I forgot that I was going to film that, so I haven't filmed anything. So, gotta figure out what I'm doing for my next few videos. I do want to, once I tell you guys more about the October reading plan for October, I will explain in a video like what exactly my plan is for that and for videos and things like that. And where you can find it. That will go up next week, next Thursday, I believe. And, yeah, and I figured in my next video I can chat more about my art, show you guys more things that I ordered for that, give you a little sneak peek of the reading plan so you guys kind of know what is coming. It is not a lot. We're going through one book in 31 days. It's not even a chapter a day. It's less. It's probably the most you'll read in a day is like 10 verses. But I figured we can use this time to go more in depth in our study. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. And hopefully we figure out something for this Bible too, because that would be great. And yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I'm gonna test these in my Bible, and I will let you guys see if any of these work. I'm hoping at least some of these erasable ones work. We'll find out. So, I'm going to leave you guys with that. We'll jump into the testing, and I will see you guys in my next video, chatting about all the things.